Customizing Monday.com board settings is a straightforward process that allows you to tailor your workflow to your specific needs. To start, navigate to the board you want to customize and click on the three dots at the top right corner of the screen. From the drop-down menu, select Board Settings. The Board Settings page is divided into several sections. The first section is Board Name and Description, where you can change the name and description of your board. This is useful for giving your board a clear and descriptive title that reflects its purpose. The next section is Columns, where you can add, remove, and customize the columns on your board. Columns are used to track different types of information, such as task status, due dates, and priorities. To add a new column, click on the Add Column button and select the type of column you want to add. The Groups section allows you to organize your board into different groups, such as by project phase or task type. This helps to categorize your items and make them easier to manage. To add a new group, click on the Add Group button and enter a name for the group. The Item Names section allows you to customize the names of the items on your board. You can choose to display the item name, a custom text, or a combination of both. This is useful for making your board more readable and intuitive. The Tags section allows you to add custom tags to your board, which can be used to filter and categorize your items. To add a new tag, click on the Add Tag button and enter a name for the tag. Finally, the Integrations section allows you to connect your board to other tools and apps, such as Google Drive or Slack. This allows you to automate tasks and workflows, and to access your board data from other platforms. Best practices for customizing Monday.com board settings include keeping your board simple and intuitive, using clear and descriptive column names, and organizing your items into logical groups. By following these best practices, you can create a board that is tailored to your specific needs and helps you to work more efficiently. In summary, customizing Monday.com board settings is a simple and straightforward process that allows you to tailor your workflow to your specific needs. By following the steps outlined in this guide, you can create a board that is intuitive, efficient, and effective.